forget to subscribe. Good day, I'm Kim Tan. Today I'm going to show you the 3 hand tools that I'm going to present and to use. Screwdriver that is designed to be used with a type of screw called Phillips head screw that has a slot in its top that looks like a cross. A screwdriver used to loosen or tighten slotted screws. Cable tie. It's a type of fastener for holding items together, primarily called electrical wires. Cable ties used to bundle cables neatly inside a computer. Tweezers is a small instrument like a pair of pens, flocking out hairs and picking up small objects. Tweezers is used to manipulate small objects of the computer. Going to open up the CPU and clean it up. Hope you enjoy this video. Bye.